Yo, yo, it's Jimmy's Food Review. Ah! Hey, it's your boy Jimmy, and today we're going to be reviewing two breakfast items. And hey, I guess past 12 in the afternoon is a perfect time as any to do a review on fucking breakfast items, right? So we got Froot Loops flavored Pop Tarts and Wendy's Frosty flavored cereal. I don't know. I don't know why this exists, but it does. This at least makes a little sense, two breakfast items put together, I'm not sure about this. But, get away from the camera, cat. Dude. I already fed you this morning anyway, dang. Yeah, so it's got little prints on it. I hope this is still recording. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put that in a little milk, because yes, I dip my Pop-Tarts in milk. Cry about it. Yeah. It's not that bad. It kind of reminds me of, and I don't know if any of y'all ever had these growing up. I did. But a lot of y'all probably did. Kind of reminds me of cereal straws. You remember those? God, those were good. I miss those. Well, on to this. Oh yeah. It also says it's 3 small Frosty or whatever. So you want to scan that? I don't really care. I don't eat at Wendy's that much anymore. They kind of fell off. So yeah, you wanna scan that? Go ahead. I will say the Frosty is like one of the menu items that's still really good. They smell very chocolatey. That's for sure. What are these little chalk pellet thingies? We'll find out. Yeah, part of the ceiling just fell. Lovely. Well. Milk has been added. Spoon. Only a spoonful. Yeah, these are basically just Cocoa Puffs. But, yeah, they're literally just Cocoa Puffs. Get back, cat. You'll knock that whole damn thing off. I would say this is really good. And this, Wendy's Frosted cereal, it's not really, it's okay. It's passable, but, it's basically just Cocoa Puffs. Alright, see ya.